Hi everyone and welcome to the Cricut Minute. Today we will learn how to upload an image in the Cricut Design Space. You can download paid or free images on different formats on a lot of websites. Here I'm selecting free design and free SVG file. You can download the design of your choice. Today I'm going with something Christmas related. Once downloaded, go in your download folder, then right-click on the zip file and extract all. A new window will pop up. Depending on the creator of the design, you might have different options. For this design, there is one folder for the Mac users and another one for the Windows users. Each of them contains different files such as the same design under different formats. For my Cricut projects, I always use SVG files, which stands for Scalable Vector Graphic. Now it's time to upload it. Open the Cricut Design Space, then click on Upload at the bottom left of the screen. Then upload the image. Then you can either just drag the file directly on the screen or browse in your computer. I select my SVG file, then click on Continue. If you want, you can name it or add it in one of your collection. Now we are done and you can use it for your creation. The two big advantages of the SVG files is you can resize as big or as small as you want and keep the same high quality. Secondly, you can edit the design, as you will get the different layers separately, so you can delete or add elements to create your own design. If you want to find the images you uploaded previously, you can either look through your collections if you save it in there, or just click on Upload at the bottom left of the screen. I hope it helps. Like and subscribe for more. Have a great day, see you next time, and have fun crafting!